How do you shop on Amazon Haul? So I left a shortcut link in the description that will take you to the Amazon Haul landing page. It'll take you right to this page where you can search for items on Amazon Haul. You can click through different categories. And basically, it's very similar to Amazon. It's this separate department or section on Amazon for crazy deals. And you get a bunch of deals on top of these deals. You get free shipping if you spend a minimum of $25. And you also get 5% off if you're spending 50, 10% off if you spend 75. So the more you spend, the more savings you get on top of the already really low priced items. So when you're on this landing page, you'll see the different categories up here. You'll even see this section called Crazy Low, which are like limited time amazing deals here. I mean, some of these things are less than $2, right? So you can find a lot of items on here for extremely discounted prices. And let's just click on this collapsible kitchen funnel. You'll actually see when you're on the page, and it's a whole different checkout experience than Amazon. So your Prime membership doesn't apply here. Only Amazon Haul rules apply here. And the checkout shopping cart is actually separate from your Amazon shopping cart. So when you add things to your cart, it's just your Amazon Haul cart. And you'll see that some items can be final sale. Some items, maybe it'll say refund and 15-day refund. So you have like 2 weeks to return it. And they're shipped and sold, maybe not by Amazon. That's why there's so many discounts. I was going to show you the other part. When there's items listed on Amazon Haul that are also listed on Amazon, it shows you the discount you get here on Haul versus Amazon. We'll just see if we can find one here. Clicking on a couple items, we got another final sale. Let's click not on the crazy low deals because those are probably final sale, but we've got some Adidas kids socks here. And you can see here that that has free returns, a 15-day refund. And right here is the Amazon list price. So if you buy this not on Amazon Haul, it's $18. That's the average price for the last 90 days on Amazon. But here on Amazon Haul, it's only $13. So you can get these discounts on regular items. They don't have to be like different off-brand items. This is Adidas socks where you get the discount. Add that to your cart, start to build up your cart, get even more discounts and your free shipping. Now, if we go over to About Haul here on Amazon Haul, you can see here it's like discover unbelievable finds from $2.99. There's actually things even less than $2.99, but basically crazy low prices on Amazon. Now, shipping speed is going to be a little bit slower than Amazon Prime. It's going to be usually in under 2 weeks. Free shipping is going to require you to spend $25 as opposed to just on Amazon. You can pretty much just get free shipping. It's $3.99 shipping if you don't spend that $25. And then there's a few other things here, like you may see that you're listed as an importer. That's just because you're buying a product that's maybe being shipped from a different country. And then you can return items that are over $3 in price within 15 days of delivery. So that's probably why that first one we couldn't return it, because anything under $3 is going to be final sale. But yeah, there's a bunch of different crazy deals here on Amazon Haul. You can look at electronics. You can look at all these different categories. You can search Amazon Haul here at the top if you just kind of make sure that you're on the Amazon Haul search. And like I said, there's a link in the description that will take you to Amazon Haul to see if you find some of the items that you're looking for extreme discounts compared to Amazon. But that's how you can use and also shop Amazon Haul.